Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily update your profile photo on Amazon Photos. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Whether you're using the app or the website, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First of all, go ahead and search for Amazon Photo official website and go ahead and click on it. You're going to be able to see the interface just like this. Okay, and basically what you're going to do, just go ahead and log in with your account. And after you log in with your account, click your profile icon at the top right, and you're gonna see multiple options popping up. Go ahead and click the first option, and you're gonna see right here profile photo and name. Go ahead and click the profile under the profile photo, and then you're gonna select or upload a profile photo from your library, or if you want to take an organic photo, or choose a file from your files, and then you're gonna be able to add your Amazon profile picture. Okay, do not forget to check out my other videos for more tips and tricks about Amazon apps and all things tech. See you in the next one, and do not forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any more questions. Thanks for watching.